guys, welcome back for another video. So today I will show you my latest collective haul. This will be my first haul video, so I hope you guys like it. Okay, first I will show you the makeups. This one is from Beautylicious Deals. I got this in a shade of beige 2. It comes with a squeeze container. So yeah, sana maging okay siya sa shade. I'm not sure about the shade. So sabi nung dealer, normal daw yung pinaka-common na shade is yung beige 2. So yeah, yun na lang yung pinili ko. So sana mag-workout sa skin tone ko. It costs 785. Dealer sila ng Mary Kay sa Pinas. So ilalagay ko yung link nila sa description box. So kung gusto nyo i-check, I will put the link down in the description box. Then next, from Beautylicious also. This one is Mega Last Wet n Wild lipstick. I got 3 shades. The first shade is Pink Rebel. This one. Hindi pa siya open, so hindi ko siya masaswatch muna sa inyo. But these two nagamit ko na last 3 days. Second lipstick is Spike with Ram. Pakita ko sa yung swatch. May pagka-brown siya. Konting hint of red dark / brown. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko explain, pero yeah, okay siya for daily use. Then the last shade is Smoke and Hot Pink. Ayan siya. Ayun, zoom. Then ito yung swatch. Ito naman may pagka-bright pink. Loud pink siya. So, okay din siya pang daily use. One thing I hate about is the packaging. See, kapag i-open nyo, dapat maingat lang. Or kapag sasarado nyo, kasi minsan sumasayad sa cap. So, yun, nasasayang yung product or nagiging madumi yung cup niya. So, moving on to the Beauty Blottor Oil Absorbing Tissues. Mary Kay pa rin. This one naman is freebies lang. So, yeah, from Beautylicious Deals also. Kung gusto nyo umorder ng Mary Kay, check nyo lang yung description box. Ilalagay ko dun yung link. The next one from Philippines is Sansan HD High Definition Concealer with Vitamin A, C, and E, SPF 15. This one is from HBC and it costs around 105. I got the shade of Natural. Dapat ako kunin ko yung beige, kaso ubos na daw yung beige, yung magdadala kasi pabalik na from Pinas to UAE. So yeah, sabi ko natural na lang. So sana mag-workout sa skin tone ko. This one is from Lifestyle. I got the Revlon Grow Mascara by Fablash. One niya. A bit thick pero okay lang. Hindi naman ako masyadong maano sa mascara. So, yeah. Then the second one from Lifestyle is NYX Retractable Lip Liner. I got in a shade of nude pink. I will show you the swatch. Simpleng color lang pa. Pwede mo siyang gamitin itself kahit huwag mo nalagyan ng lipstick. Pero trinay ko na siyang medyo drying lang. So, dapat lagyan ng konting gloss. Then, let's move on to the Sephora. I purchased this one from Sephora. Bago siya, limited edition ng Too Faced. Pardon my French. So, sa box, merong pouch. Then, when you open it up, merong nakabalot siya sa papel. I don't know, parang this one is papel de chino kung tawagin sa Pinas. I'm not sure. So, anyway, ito yung product. Pag nagmili ka nito sa Sephora, ito yung makukuha mo. Meron kang 4 products. Yeah. So, first one is the Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner. Yeah. First time ko lang din nagkaroon ng Too Faced na brand. So, I'm excited for this one. The second product is Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Shadow Primer. Yeah, it's like a sample size kasi maliit lang siya. See? The third product is Too Faced Lash Injection. So yeah, it's a mascara. Extreme volume for lashes. So it's 7.39 ml. Not bad. Then the last product is the Too Faced Bonjour Summer Palette. Gaganda na. I like all the shades. Susubukan ko siyang i-try. You can use this one for daily makeup look. Neutral. You can create neutral or you can go with the nighttime look because merong darker shade here. So yeah. Then another product from Sephora, but this one is free lang din. 2 OPI nail polish. I got in a shade of A Good Mandarin, is hard to find. Then the second one is Yoga Racket, this blue. Wow. Weird name. So yeah, ito yung color niya. This one is coral color. This one is blue. Ito, nasa nail ko siya. Nagpalinis ako ng nail kahapon. So yeah, nitpick ko para masubukan. It looks good. So, and it's free, so why not? I got this anyway for survey lang sa online. Nagpadala sila ng mail. Meron kasi akong Sephora card, Sephora ME card. Kapag nag-purchase ka sa Sephora, you will get the reward points. So, yeah. Then, the next product is from MAC. This one, I'm excited about this one because first time kong nagkaroon ng mineralized foundation based powder. So, yeah. I got in the shade of medium plus and it's 150 dirhams. Akala ko yung MAC is over 180 or 200 but nagulat ako 150 lang siya. So, sobrang happy ako kahapon nung nakuha ko siya. Then the next product from MAC is the MAC Mineralized Concealer. This one is in a shade of NW25. This one. So, and the last two product is from Bath and Body. It's a perfume, Sweet Pea. This is how it looks like. It's so cute. Hindi siya long lasting, pero the smell is sweet. I'm not a fan of a sweet perfume, but yeah, pwede na rin kasi nakuha namin siya ng buy one take one. 150 siya, so half the price is 75 dirhams. Naghati kami ng office mate ko, so isa kami. Yeah, nice. Best buy. Then, kahapon, nagpunta ulit ako ng Bath and Body. Una akong bilhin yung perfume. Then, yesterday, sabi ko dun sa office mate ko, kailangan kong bumili ng candles from Bath and Body. So, yeah. Then, nung nandun na kami, dun pa lang namin nalaman na may special offer sila. Dapat ang bibiling ko lang talaga is one piece ng isang mahogany teakwood. Ito. Super favorite ko itong smell na to kasi so manly. Bango-bango talaga. And yung regular price is 90. So, hindi namin expected na buy one take one. So, I got the other scent, which is Oceanside. This one is good also. It smells manly, pero mahogany teakwood is my first favorite. And first favorite sa Bath and Body candles. So yeah, that's all about it, guys. I named it as collectible kasi hindi ko naman siya pinili ng isang lakaran lang. Naipon na lang siya. But na-start ko siyang i-purchase last April pa. Last month. So, naipon na lang. Bali, yung last purchase ko is kahapon, which is yung Bath and Body na candles. So, yeah. So, that's all about it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. See you in my next one. Bye!